back to another vlog. Hope everyone is doing great, good and safe too. The reason why I'm talking like this is because everybody is sleeping. It's literally 4 a.m. in the morning. So I came to India for a while to spend time with my family. So in the meantime, I also decided to re-explore few places near my hometown. So today I'm going to a beach place with my Pablo. It's been a while since I've been on a beach and rode my bike. So today is the day. Pretty excited. Without wasting any time, let's get started.
So finally it's happening. I'm very excited. It's been a really long time. I missed you, baby boy. It's good to be back for some time in your hometown, breathing your hometown air and spending time with your family and doing the things that you always loved, like riding your own bike. So it will take around 1.5 hours to reach this place. So I fueled up, no fuel break now. So maybe I'll have some coffee near Naidupeta. So we'll see. And I think we will reach at right time. Sunrise is at 6:30. So yeah, hope for the best. Little update. We just reached Kalahasti. It took almost 1 hour to reach this place because I had to stop so many times because something fell in my eye and it was really irritating. I really had a lot of stops, and also because of this amazing roads, maybe we'll reach we'll reach beach by 7. And yeah, it's okay, we missed the sunrise, but all we need is beach, so it's all good. 15 minutes for the sunrise and I'm 45 minutes away from the place, and I'll reach Naidupeta in 5 minutes. Oh shit. You okay, bye-bye? Careful, bro. Take care. I know we have amazing highways. Bye. ఏంటి బాబాయ్ కనీసం హైవేలన్నా ఏంటి బాబాయ్.
So I quickly stopped here for 5 minutes just to relax. I think my eye is still red. So I've stopped in this location. My father always says that Naidupeta surrounding areas has good water and it has good quality and rich agriculture lands, as you can see. So as far as I can see, they're all good agriculture lands, and sunrise already happened, as you can see.
So I think I spent more time because of drone and wow, dude, nice. Excuse me, కొంచెం జరగండి. Thank you. Aha, nice. I really missed this. Good roads, great locations, and my Pablo, my baby. This feels so good right now.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if will ever figure out where the road goes.
So here at the place, it feels so good and relaxing. And I reached around 7:30. It's a very good climate. It's not hot or not too cold. It's perfect time for the beach. And this was my third time coming to this beach. I think I came here like 2 years ago. That time it was not famous. And as you can see, now you can see all the trash here. When I came for the first time, it was so clean and so good. But now recently it got famous and people started coming here and trashed everywhere. So I think we should be more responsible of trash. And yeah, I'll just sit here and relax for some time and shoot some b-rolls, maybe fly some drone and get some shots. So check out this place.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
So I collected a little bit of trash around this place. Luckily I found bag as well. Spent some great time here, got some nice shots and pictures for Instagram. In case you're not following me on Instagram, handle will be somewhere here. Go follow it, Hadavadi guaranteed. And now currently I'm craving for dosa and I'm already very hungry. So let's go find a place and have some dosa. Had good dosa. I also had extra egg dosa and I'm full and I'm happy. So next stop will be house. Time is around 11:15, so it will take 2 hours because of good road.
Came back to my house, ending my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this travel vlog. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more videos. So I'm also planning to do a little ride towards Tamil Nadu or Kerala, I don't know. I have less time here, we'll see, but I really wanted to do. Stay tuned for more vlogs and as always, stay blessed. Peace.